This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your WordPress site public. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to the Settings menu. From there, click on Reading. You'll see an option labeled Search Engine Visibility. Make sure the box next to Discourage search engines from indexing this site is unchecked. This is a crucial first step to ensure your site can be found. Don't forget to save your changes. Next, you need to ensure your domain is properly connected to your hosting. If you haven't already, register a domain name and then update its name servers to point to your web host. This process can sometimes take up to 48 hours for the changes to fully propagate across the internet. Confirm that your WordPress installation is correctly linked to this domain on your hosting account. Before going live, populate your site with some initial content. Create key pages such as About Us and Contact, and publish at least one blog post or service description. Crucially, install an SSL certificate to enable HTTPS, securing your site and building trust with visitors. Most hosting providers offer free SSL, making this an easy and essential step for security. Finally, perform thorough testing across different browsers and devices to ensure everything looks and functions correctly. Consider installing a caching plugin to significantly improve your site's loading speed, often by several seconds. Also, optimize your images to reduce their file size by up to 70% without losing quality. Lastly, submit your site's sitemap to search engines to help them discover and index your content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.